Close your eyes for a minute. Think about when you open the door of the house and the journey here to Newnham Language Centre. Have a think about it just for a minute. You can close your eyes if you want to, as long as you don't go. For example, usually when I cycle to school, I see a lot of other people on bicycles. Yeah? Very simple thing. Yeah? It doesn't have to be something special. Okay, just with your partner, just tell your partner things you usually see, or maybe something unusual that you saw on one day. Okay?
Now, today I want to talk with you something about food. Do you like food?
Yes.
Of course, you see. What kind of food do you like best? Do you like the food supplied by our school canteen? By our school dining hall? Yes or no?
No.
No? Why not? Why not? Please, yes?
I think it's not delicious.
It's not delicious. Then what kind of food do you like best? Do you think our school should supply you fast food or Western fast food or hamburger? Hamburger. You would prefer hamburger, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the word hamburger? Do you know the word? What's the meaning of a hamburger?
It's called
It's a hamburger.
It's a kind of bread.
It's a kind of bread. Yes, hamburger. Now read us, sit down, please. Thank you. Hamburger.
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 Okay, you prefer hamburger, right? And do you think our school should also offer you Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Sprite or Coca-Cola? Do you think water is enough?
No.
No. Okay. Now, how do you say the word Coca-Cola? You know, you are quite familiar with this word, right? Yes. Now, let me see how many students like Western fast food. Put up your hands. So many. Okay. Yes. Only a few of the students. Would you please change your seat, please? You too. You like Chinese diet, right? Okay. Now, change your seat with them. Okay. Change your seat. Yes. And how about you two? Yes. Change your seat, please. I would like those who like the fast food. Here, there's such a large group of students, right? Yeah, so many students, yes. How about David? You like Chinese diet, right?
Yeah.
Tom, so we say Tom doesn't run as fast as George, and George doesn't run as fast as King. So King runs fastest. Very good. Okay, they all can run very fast, and Kane can run the fastest, right? But now, today, I will ask them three to do another game. Okay, come to the front, please. Okay, can you stand here? Let's ask them to jump, all right? To jump, and we will see who can jump the fastest, right? Okay, so let's see if Kane can jump the fastest too. Okay, who's going to jump first?
Tom.
Kane. Okay. All right. Okay. Stand aside. Okay. Who's next? Okay. Good. Okay, let's see. George, Tom, and Kane. Right. What about the George and the Kane? Sorry, what about George and Tom? Okay, can you tell me? Say something about George and Tom. Yes, please.
George doesn't jump as far as Tom.
Okay, we say George didn't jump as far as Tom. Good. What about Tom and the King? Steve?
Tom didn't jump as far as King.
Good. Tom didn't jump as far as King. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Okay, well done. Okay, right, very good. Okay, now let's do another game. Okay, this time I want 3 girls. Okay, 3 girls. Who would like to come to the front and do the game? Maria. Okay, come here, please. And Sue. Okay, and Rachel, please. Right. So what we are going to do is throw a piece of paper. Okay, throw a piece of paper. Let's see who can throw the paper farthest.
Well, any shape?
Just this piece of paper. Here. Okay, you just stand here. Okay. Alright, okay, stand behind. It's your turn. Come on. No, you can't do anything. Okay, so just stand here. Right, let's see. Tell me, did they do very well? No. Okay, so they didn't do very well. So Maria did rather badly. What about Rachel? Rachel, he did worse. And what about Sue? Okay, another way we can say Sue didn't throw the paper as far as Rachel. And Rachel didn't throw the paper as far as Maria. So Maria was the winner, although he did better. Alright? Okay, congratulations and thank you very much. Okay. Now so much for the game. So much for the game. And now, boys and girls, see, we are now today having a very special lesson in a very special classroom, right? It's different from our school classroom. Now, let's see it and try to tell me, is there any difference? Is there any difference between this room with our school classroom? Of course, there are many differences, right? Now, can you tell me? Rachel, please.
Well, our classroom is not as bright as here.
Good. Our classroom is not as bright as this classroom. Very good.
And our classroom isn't as hot as here.
Okay, so our classroom is not, together, as hot as in here. Okay, good. Anything else?
Our classroom is not as big as this classroom.
That's right. Okay, it's very big. Yes. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Okay. What about the lessons? Okay.
Our classroom is not as high as this.
It's not the ceiling. Okay, the ceiling is not as high as here. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, please.
Our classroom is not as quiet as here.
As quiet. Okay. So it's not as quiet as here. Maybe you are not as quiet as you are here today, right? Okay. So today we had a very special class, right? And we had a very special class in a special classroom. Was it very interesting? Yes. Yes, very good. And so much for the